So by now you probably heard that Tesla has a new software update rolling out. It's another seasonal one, and this baby has a ton of awesome features. It just hit the Cybertruck. It has not rolled out to our Model 3 yet, but for today I want to go ahead and jump into the truck to show you guys what's new. There's additions as far as simple changes like ambient light sensor brightness that you can manually control now, and also the addition of Amazon Music and YouTube Music, along with other things in between. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so jumping right into the release notes, as you can see, it is pretty lengthy here. And even before reading these, you can see right on top here a couple of the new visual UI changes here. With the weather, as you can see, it's indicated by a sun because it's sunny out here now, and an AQI or an air quality index score that you will have now daily. And yes, you can actually click on them and it will give you more information: outside temperature, highs, lows, chance of rain, all of that. So it's pretty nice. Additionally now, like we said in that introduction, you do have YouTube Music, and it obviously says listen to over 100 million songs ad-free with your YouTube Premium or Music Premium account. Access your library to see all of your liked and added songs, playlists you created, and artists and podcasts you subscribe to. It does require premium connectivity or an active Wi-Fi connection, obviously. And obviously Amazon Music is going to be the same, only if you are a Prime Music subscriber. We do have an update to Castle Doombad. Now it says the Castle Doombad demo has been replaced with a full version release of Castle Doombad Classic, featuring full touch support and packed with more than 70 new levels and endless content. Challenge yourself in this trap-based tower defense game against hordes of goody two-shoes heroes invading your castle. Go into arcade to play that. Parental controls is one of the big ones, and now you can see it says you can now enable parental controls with a pin on your vehicle. Set a maximum speed limit and limit acceleration to chill. Turn on safety features such as speed limited warning, automatic energy braking, and forward collision warning. Configure night curfew to receive notifications through your Tesla mobile app when the vehicle is driven past curfew. You can see how parents would love to have something like this added, especially if they have younger children of the driving age, or just to track in general. This is very nice. And it says to enable parental controls from the vehicle or the Tesla mobile app, navigate to controls, safety, parental controls. Now we have the ability in navigation to navigate to sub-destinations. It says now when you enter a navigation destination, you can select a sub-destination such as a specific terminal at the airport to get more accurate routing details. Again, a nice one. This is what we just touched on. This is the weather forecast and air quality. So now you actually can see it on the top bar like we just talked about. It says your vehicle status bar now shows the local weather conditions alongside the temperatures. When air quality is poor, your vehicle also shows AQI symbol and index value. Tap the temperature on your touchscreen to see details about the local weather forecast, such as the weather condition, highs and lows of the day, and chance of rain. It does require premium connectivity as well. That is what we just looked at. Schedule, charge, and preconditioning. So this kind of got a redesign here, and as you can see, it says from the redesigned menu or the Tesla mobile app, schedule charging or preconditioning of your vehicle. You can select a location, schedule a one-off, repeat specific times or days of the week, and also control when charging starts and stops. To schedule your charge and preconditioning, tap Controls Schedule, and it's letting you know this actually does require mobile app version 4.3.4.5. New security improvements, and then a list of other updates, which is something I'm actually excited about that's in here. A couple of game updates: the Battle of Polytopia, Vampire Survivors, and then when in auto, the fan speed may now automatically lower to reduce the sound of ambient noise when you're on a phone call. Adjust the accent lights by changing the brightness and color to your preferences. Use night only to turn the accent lights on when dim conditions are detected outside. To customize, go to lights, accent lights. I'm actually super excited about that. I believe when you're actually changing your lighting, when you're actually setting your new color and ambient light color, it looks much better than when it's actually implemented, because it fades very darkly out to not be too distracting, which makes sense, but I would like to see it a little brighter during the day, and now you can do that. Zoom meetings now defaults to full screen. Watch helpful tutorial videos in the Tesla Theater. Tesla Mic is now supported in the US, and it is available to purchase in the Tesla store. It comes in a 2-pack. and Control Search now surfaces climate-related features and navigation when searching for an address. So that is the main update for 2024.26 and all those sub-branches. Jumping right into the vehicle itself and going under lights for the first one, here we go. You have those changes to accent lights and when they're on, and you can actually go ahead and turn them as bright as can be any time of the day or a lot duller, just depending on what you want. Personally, I love these. I'm going to keep it up as high as possible while they are on. Obviously, schedule is the new schedule feature here, and you can precondition and charge and have all those settings done right in the vehicle or in the app like we discussed. Safety is the next new one with a notification indicator, and when you scroll down here, this is where you will see parental controls. If you turn them on, you can actually pick and choose what is applied here. From limited speed, reduced acceleration, require safety features, and send curfew notifications, just like the indicator said on the in the help manual. Nothing else on this screen. However, if you jump in here, you'll see we have a couple of other new icons here, and that is those Amazon Music and YouTube Music integrations now. So if you have YouTube Music, which we do, you will scan this and take care of it exactly the same way as you did with YouTube. I'm sorry, with Apple Music. Amazon is going to be the same way. And then obviously we have Apple Music that we have had. Arcade is the last one we talked about that has Castle Doombad Classic now and some of those other changes. Not going to jump into that too much. It's pretty self-explanatory. But as a whole, this is awesome. I'm glad to see some of these updates have been applied and the Cybertruck has pulled it. One of the big questions that's coming up and I want to address here is the build that this is on. Nobody knows what will be the first build number for Cybertruck and full self-driving. Obviously, we know every Cybertruck right now has FSD supervised capabilities. However, what branch that's going to come out next month, as Elon said, we don't know if it's going to be on this one or not. So a lot of people are looking to skip this branch. I don't know if necessarily it's going to make a difference. I'm hoping they will release it on the latest one, but clearly, as you can see, it's still not active in this update nonetheless, so just something to keep in mind and call out for any of you Cybertruck owners still waiting on the update and have not downloaded it yet. Aside from that, everything else looks and feels exactly the same. Nothing new, nothing else changed here. You have a little bit of a different look coming to your AC fixed settings in a Model 3 and Y. The Cybertruck's has looked the same. It is still going to remain the same here, so you're not going to get that change for this build in your Cybertruck. However, keep an eye on your Model 3. That should look a little different for you guys. So yeah, a lot of stuff covered here in a short amount of time. Let us know in the comments down below. Are you guys excited for this update that Tesla released? Are you waiting on FSD supervised for your Cybertruck before installing it? Very curious to know. Thanks for watching, everyone. We will catch you in the next one. Peace.